The information provided by Crypto Daily Sun and this channel is for educational and informational purposes only. Crypto Daily Sun is not a licensed financial advisor or investment professional. The content presented does not constitute financial, investment, or legal advice. Before making any financial decisions, it is strongly recommended that you seek advice from a qualified financial advisor or investment professional who can provide personalized guidance based on your individual circumstances. Investing in cryptocurrencies and other financial instruments involves significant risk and may not be suitable for all investors. Past performance is not indicative of future results, and there is no guarantee that any investment strategy will achieve its objectives. Crypto Daily Sun and this channel are not responsible for any losses or damages arising from the use of this information or from any decisions made based on the content provided. Always conduct your own research and consider your financial situation, risk tolerance, and investment goals before making any investment decisions.
Welcome to our latest video where we dive into a critical topic for anyone navigating the world of cryptocurrency, being wary of scams. The digital currency space, with its massive growth and potential for high returns, unfortunately also attracts its fair share of scammers and fraudsters. In this video, we'll cover key strategies to protect yourself from falling victim to scams that could jeopardize your investments and personal information. Avoid phishing scams. First and foremost, let's talk about phishing scams, one of the most common and deceptive threats in the cryptocurrency realm. Phishing scams typically involve fraudulent attempts to acquire sensitive information, such as your private keys, passwords, or personal data, by pretending to be a trustworthy entity. How phishing works: scammers often send phishing emails or messages that appear to come from reputable companies or exchanges. These emails may include alarming messages about suspicious activity on your account or offer enticing rewards for acting quickly. The goal is to trick you into clicking on malicious links or providing personal information that the scammer can use to access your accounts. Protect yourself. To avoid falling for phishing scams, always be cautious of unsolicited communications. Double-check URLs before entering any sensitive information. Ensure that the website address starts with HTTPS and that there is a padlock icon next to it. Phishing websites often mimic legitimate ones, but with slight changes in the URL or design. Also, avoid clicking on links or downloading attachments from unknown sources. If you receive a suspicious email or message, contact the company directly through official channels to verify its legitimacy before taking any action. Don't fall for get-rich-quick schemes. Another prevalent scam in the cryptocurrency world is the get-rich-quick scheme. These scams promise guaranteed high returns with little to no effort, often requiring you to invest a significant amount of money upfront. While these offers might seem tempting, they are typically designed to exploit your desire for fast profits. Recognize the red flags. If you come across an investment opportunity that promises extraordinary returns with minimal risk, be extremely skeptical. No legitimate investment can guarantee high returns without risk. Scammers use these enticing promises to lure you into their traps, often asking for upfront payments or personal details. Be wary of schemes that pressure you to act quickly or use high-pressure tactics to make you invest. Research and verify. Before investing in any opportunity, conduct thorough research. Look into the company or individual making the offer and verify their credentials. Reputable investment opportunities are transparent about their risks and returns. Check for reviews, regulatory compliance, and any red flags associated with the investment. Avoid sharing personal information. Never share your private keys, passwords, or other sensitive information with anyone who contacts you unsolicited. Reputable exchanges and cryptocurrency services will never ask for this information through emails or messages. Stay informed. One of the best defenses against scams is staying informed. The cryptocurrency landscape is constantly evolving, and so are the tactics used by scammers. Regularly update yourself on common scams and fraud prevention strategies by following reliable news sources and joining reputable crypto communities. Be skeptical and cautious. Always approach new opportunities with a healthy dose of skepticism. If something sounds too good to be true, it probably is. Take your time to verify the legitimacy of any offers or communications before acting on them. Scammers rely on urgency and excitement to bypass your critical thinking, so stay calm and cautious. In summary, being aware of scams is crucial for protecting your investments and personal information in the cryptocurrency world. By avoiding phishing scams, being skeptical of get-rich-quick schemes, and staying informed, you can safeguard yourself from falling victim to fraud. Remember, prevention is key. Stay vigilant and make informed decisions to secure your digital assets and financial well-being.
Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to check out the rest of my channel for more great content. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Your support means the world to me. See you in the next video.